Hi everyone. Right, what I've got here is it's just like a little box, and I've started to alter it. My mind's gone blank. I don't know what I was going to do with it in the first place. I just saw that I had the box. It's really awkward because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I'll show you what I've done so far. It was just an ordinary box, round box. What I've done is I've taken the lid off. I cut down the side, put a hinge on. On this side I cut down and put a little flap on, that little lock, and it opens up. I've put in the middle section, though I might change that, I don't know yet. I've added 3 wooden beads for feet. It does all have to be painted yet. I've started to paint it. I had 2 of these discs, so what I did, and I cut the middle out and stuck that on. You see upside down. That's just going to get painted. And then I put a piece of card on top of that just to hide the hole. I've got the door to paint a couple of times. It all needs doing, several coats. And what I did, I left it with a lip here. So I just cut around the edge there. And like I say, I've ended up with that. And I don't know what to do with it. Because I don't know whether to go steampunk, shabby chic, vintage or what. What's in my head, a couple of ideas. I do have a couple of ideas of what I want to do with it. So I don't really know which way I'm going to go yet. But I don't know, because my idea was to take that off, reveal the top, undo the door, and reveal what's inside. So I was going to make it into miniatures, obviously. I don't know, I could have done a living room with a bedroom, and I might do that, I don't know yet, because that means I have to make everything by hand. And I mean, I don't mind doing it, of course, but I need to get my juices flowing for that, my ideas, because I don't know whether to make it as a whimsical one or I don't know. So I just thought I'll share that with you. I'm going to call this part 1. And the next stage I will come back and share what I've done. I might tape it and as I go along when I've decided what I'm going to do, because all this has to be painted as well. I'm not sure. I think it's going to end up as a miniature bedroom. I don't know. I really don't know. We shall see. That's it when you've got a mind like mine. Lots of ideas. Which is the best option to take? I really don't know. As you can see right now, what I've done is I've taken one of the tea lights, I've cut open a skull, the head, top of the head, and I've put a hole in the bottom of the skull and then popped that over the tea light. so I can turn it on and off just by pressing it down. I'm just going to put the lights back on, and as you can see the whole thing's flickering now. I'm going to have to turn it this way, and then I should be able to turn it when I put the film on, you know, for editing. So like I say, you just press that and it turns it off, press it again and it turns it on, and I just like the way it did that. So got the skulls up here all the way across, got the big black bird. It should have been a bit smaller, but that's all I had. Potion bottles, there's a lamp there, little handmade lamp. Lots of little potion bottles and things like that. There's a little mouse I'm going to paint black. It has got a pumpkin in the back there. And then I haven't done anything down here. I've just painted this guy. I've not done anything down here because I'm going to put things in there. I'm making my own bottles out of spools and door handles. Put some labels on them. I'll paint them all black, and we'll have quite a few bits and pieces at the bottom. At the front, I've just managed to put this on. The feet need painting black. And I'm just about to, I've got to let it dry, but I'm just about to put some trimming on the back, and I've got this beautiful black lace. Yes, I'm going to put that on. Hi everyone, right, it's finally finished. I'm going to turn my head around on my skeleton. I've completed it, everything's done. I'm just going to show you the inside. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see. I have taken photographs with the lights on and off. That's the skull I cut open and popped onto a tea light. And at the back, sorry, you won't be able to see that. I'm just going to just hold on a minute. Oh dear, come here. Sorry about this. There. So I'm turning it round so you'll be able to see a cauldron in the back. It's got a skull on it with a dripping, like a, oh, what do they call it? Oh, I forgot the name. Anyway, bones. We've got little wands, skulls. Those jars are painted in the background, and just stuck the cat on that one and a bat on that one. And pictures in the back on the wall, and like you see, everything on the front here. Potions dripping. This one as well. Painted the eyes and the nose section black on these skulls. And that's it, done, finished. So I hope you like that. I'm just going to hold that out. And really enjoyed doing it. Thanks for watching, take care. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye for now.